Smiling face with smiling eyes. Taro root is a nutrient-rich superfood. Herb. Here are some benefits. Taro root benefits. 1. Rich in fiber, supports digestion and gut health. Fish. 2. Antioxidant power, fights free radicals and inflammation. Glowing star. 3. Heart healthy, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Red heart. 4. Boosts immunity, packed with vitamin C and E. Flexed biceps. 5. Good for skin and hair, promotes healthy skin and hair. Glow nail polish. 6. Manages blood sugar, helps regulate glucose levels. Drop of blood. 7. Supports weight loss, low calorie and filling. Green salad. 8. Gluten-free, safe for celiac and gluten-intolerant folks. Face-savoring food. Arvi, taro root, is a fave. Herb. Here are 2 popular recipes. 1. Arvi masala, spicy taro root curry. Ingredients. 250 g Arvi, taro root, peeled and diced. 1 onion, chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 tsp turmeric. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt, to taste. 2 medium tomatoes, chopped. 2 tablespoons oil. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Steps. 1. Boil Arvi till tender. Drain. 2. Heat oil. Sauté onion till golden. 3. Add ginger garlic paste. Fry 1 minute. 4. Add spices and tomatoes. Cook till oil separates. 5. Add boiled Arvi. Mix gently. 6. Simmer 5 to 7 minutes. Garnish with cilantro. Serve with roti. Fork and knife. 2. Crispy fried Arvi, snacks. Ingredients. 250 g Arvi, boiled unsliced. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 tsp cumin powder. Salt, to taste. 1 tablespoon corn flour. Oil for frying. Steps. 1. Mix Arvi slices with spices and corn flour. 2. Deep fry till crispy. Serve with chutney. Face-savoring food.